Hello students, hope you all are well. Let us start our next video on the basis of elements of account standard 11 part 1. The bank reconciliation statement chapter, which is the 11th chapter and the last chapter of the part 1. Till previous video, what I taught you, just I want to remind you, I taught you the how to do the BRS in a statement form. You might have seen that one. The statement form means that it is given in a sentence that where it is debited or where it is not credited, or where it is credited but where it is not debited, like that. And I told you only you will do which is not done. Now, apart from that, the another type of sums also may come, and that also you have to understand that how we will do the BRS if it is not given in the statement form or in a sentence form, but if it is given in the book form. Now we may get the BRS in the book form, which book means the either cash book and passbook. Like that, two books will be given, and there it will be shown that some of the amounts will be recorded in one book and it is not recorded in another book, or in the reverse cases. Page number 282 of illustration 1. This is 9. Page 282 of illustration 9. That is following what is given it here. From the following information given below, prepare the bank reconciliation statement of Nissan for April 2016. This is Nissan, N-I-S-S-A-N-T, and we are doing the BRS at the 1st April 2016. This means 1/4/16. Now what is given? This is cash book given, and the next page passbook is given. Cash book it is maintained by the traders, passbook is maintained by the bank people, that is already known to you. But format of those two books are little different, you see. Here cash book, it has the two sides, debit side and credit side, which is maintained by the traders, and passbook, the particulars column is one, but two columns are given. One is the debit column and the credit column, and last one is the balance column. Meaning are same. I have to check it, the two books at a time. And after checking, then we have to find out why the two books difference balance come, and the basis of that we will do the bank reconciliation statement. Now you see, in the cash book, first opening balance debit side it is given 4,000, that is called to balance BD 4,000, and cash book closing balance you see by balance CF is 8,400. Cash book you are having the two balance, one is called the opening balance and this is called the closing balance. Opening balance it is written in the beginning, closing balance it is written in the end, 4,000 and 8,400. Similarly, in the passbook also, you will get the opening balance 4,000 and the closing balance you are getting 6,380. First of all, you got the four balances, two opening and two closing of two books. Now, while you start writing the bank balance as per cash book or bank balance as per passbook, that time don't take the opening balance. Start with the closing balance. Closing balance of the cash book and closing balance of the passbook. Out of that, any one you can take. The closing balance of cash book is coming 8,400 and closing balance of the passbook is coming 6,380. So we will start by closing balance of the cash book, which is 8,400. We will write here bank balance as per cash book 8,400. Correct? Now question if it is coming side balance it is given in the credit column, but you wrote in the debit column. This is CF, and when I taught you the ledger, that time I told CF is not your balance, BF is your balance. So 8,400 is coming debit balance. Now what we will do, we will compare the two columns at a time. One is cash book debit column and passbook credit column. Once again I am telling you, we will compare cash book debit column with the passbook credit column. Which amount is recorded in cash book debit column but not recorded in passbook credit column, or the reverse. Or it will maybe happen that which amount is recorded in the passbook credit column but not in cash book debit column. See, 4,000 it is already given, both the books. Next is coming 12,000, which is called Tej account of 10. 12,000 Tej account of Tej account it is credited. All of 12,000 amount is debited in cash book and credited in the passbook also. Next, RIA account is debited 3,000, but it is not credited there. So first of all, you have to identify which amount is recorded in one book and not recorded in another book. This is the one amount which you got, cash book debit column 3,000. It is debited in the cash book but not credited. Next is 200. Also same is. It is debited in the cash book but not credited. Now again we will check the cash book credit column. Is there any amount which is recorded but not recorded in the cash book passbook credit column? Once again let me say, passbook credit column कोई अमाउंट आपने लिखा है, बैंक पीपल हैज रिटन बट इट इज नॉट recorded in the cash book debit column, ऐसे भी हो सकता है. That is 6,000. 6,000 it is within circle it is given. It is credited in the passbook but not debited. That means we got the three amount. One is 3,000, and there is 200, and there is 600. So first let me complete this three first. Now we come the 3,200 एक साथ. That means check deposited but not clear. So we write here number 1, check deposited but not clear in the passbook. But it is debited but not credited. And the amount is coming. DI is 3,000 and interest is 200. That means total comes 3,200. Not, it is debited but not credited. We write it. So cash book का दोनों डेबिट कॉलम का हो गया. Now passbook credit column 6,000. Aditya's account was credited. Yeah, credited by Aditya. Credited by Aditya. That means check directly deposited but not debited. This is number 2. Check directly deposited but not debited in the cash. It's correct? So it is credit but not debit. So we will make it a debit column. So two columns comparison is over. Next we will compare the cash book credit column with passbook debit column. Here you see the circle amount of 3 plus 2. 3 in the cash book credit column, that is 1,000, 200 and 4,000, which is credited but not debited. And once again in the passbook debit column you see the 20 and 10,000, which is debited but not credited. So first let me go the Mukesh account, commission account and Gurmeet account. But one is commission, that amount you don't add with the Gurmeet because two names are given, so you write separately. So this is check issued but not presented for payment. Check issued but not presented for payment, that is 1,000 plus 4,000. That is 1,000 plus 4,000 is equal to 5,000. Check issued on the was credited but not debited. So make it a debit. Number 4, the commission of rupees 200 was credited but not debited. Commission is credited in the cash book but not debited in the past. So you have to debit it. How much? 200. Credited but not debited. Next is coming the 20 rupees bank charges and New India Insurance Company. So bank charges. Bank charges how much? 20 rupees. It is debited but not credited. You have write here bank charges is debited but not credited in the passbook. So how much? 20 rupees in the cash book. 20. Next is coming न्यू इंडिया इंश्योरेंस कंपनी का पेड हो गया. बैंक हैज पेड और गिवन इंश्योरेंस प्रीमियम REMIUM but not recorded in the cash book. Debited but not credited. How much? 10,000. Now let us see the answer from your book. 8,400 debit. Next is 5,200. अच्छा एक साथ कर दिया 5,200 और 6,000 तीनों 3,200 20 and 10,000. Now 6,380 is the answer. And total you will get 19,600. This is cash book passbook. So answer will come bank balance as per passbook. This is the thing. Very easy, nothing is given. Only just you have to go through which book it is recorded, which book it is not recorded. Like that, next illustration of page number 284. Also, just orally I am explaining, and you try to follow it. What is given, what is not given. But it is also book form. Previous, you see that previous cash book was given first, then passbook was given. Now it is passbook is given first, then cash book. No problem. But I will compare the two columns at a time. Cash book debit का साथ passbook credit column and cash book credit column का साथ passbook debit column. That is the thing. Now you see the opening balance of the cash book 5,940 and opening balance of the cash book. The opening balance of the cash book is 5,940 and closing balance of the cash book is given 14,670. And the passbook, you see that opening balance it is given 6,000 and closing balance it is given 37,410. You can take any one balance, and by taking any one balance you can start it. The previous sum we started by taking the cash book, and now we will start taking the passbook. Passbook you see 37,410 is the minus balance, means overdraft. So first we write bank balance or bank overdraft as per passbook or bank balance as per passbook credit. कोई भी एक लिख सकता है. Bank overdraft as per passbook, that is debit column is coming 37,410. passbook का debit column में आएगा, cash book का credit column में आएगा. Okay. Overdraft होगा. Next, how much or how many amounts we have to check it whether it is recorded in one book or not recorded in another book. Let me check first. Cash book debit का साथ passbook credit. Cash book debit का साथ passbook credit. This opening balance 5,940. Here opening balance is coming 6,000. Then 180. 6,000. Then 180. It is commissions is debited 180, but it is not credited 180. Check receipt from Shreya 180. If you add, how much you are getting? Okay, let's see. Amrita is 9,000, that is recorded. 15,000, it is credited but not debited. Okay, 6,000, it is recorded both the books. 12,150, it is debited but not credited. So you are getting two columns, two amounts. Similarly in credit column also 150, it is credited but not debited. So you are getting 3. And here also we are getting 120 bank charges is 120. Okay, now I have to explain what is this. See here, opening, try to understand. Opening, once again you follow the book. Opening balance of the passbook is given 6,000. Why I am telling that you follow. Opening balance of the passbook is given 6,000. Whereas opening balance of the cash book is given 5940. So automatically the question comes from your mind, from the starting of the balance there is a mistake. But it is not like that. It is not like that, the starting of the balance is not mistakes. Because opening balance of the cash book, it is given 5940. Opening balance of the cash book, it is given 5940. After that you see the 120 credit and 180 debit cash book में 120 credit and 180 debit. That means 180 debit. First to add it, 6120 and minus 120 मतलब 6000. ये जो 6000 आता है, that is the opening balance of the passbook. पासबुक में ओपनिंग बैलेंस 6000 किया, वो कैश बुक में दो अमाउंट को एडजस्ट करके तो आपको मन में आएगा सर 120 इट वाज क्रेडिटेड इन द कैश बुक बट नॉट डेबिटेड. यू विल थिंक दैट 120 it was credited in the cash book but not debited and 180 it is debited but not credited. नहीं है, ये ऑलरेडी इसका अंदर आ गया. क्यों हुआ? 5940 है और यहाँ 6000 है. ओके, नेक्स्ट यू आर गेटिंग द क्रेडिट साइड, क्रेडिट कॉलम. क्रेडिट कॉलम 1 इज कैश बुक क्रेडिट कॉलम 3000 and cash book credit column 1380. These two amount it is credited but not debited. And similarly the passbook also 120 it is debited but not credited. This 120 is not the top of bank charges. This 120 it is on 30th date. So this is another 120. So how many amounts you are getting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 amount you are getting, where this 6 amount is creating problems for not making both the books equal balance. So let us start. Bank overdraft as per passbook 37,410. Check deposited but not credited. Check deposited but not credited is how much? 15,000 plus 12,150. See cash book debit column, 15,000 is debited and 12,150 is debited. Check deposited but not credited in the bank, that is 15,000 plus 12,150 is equal to 27,150. Next is coming check issued. Here you see the check issued by salary and 1380. So 3000 plus 1380 it was credited in the cash book but not debited. Check issued but not presented. Salary of rupees 3000 and pretty of rupees 1380 is equal to 4380. It is credited but not debited. Next is 120 which is bank passbook debit में हुआ. 120 is debited but not credited. Interest on overdraft on credited interest on overdraft not credited in the cash book. So 120 credit column. और एक है that is there is coming how much? 150. 150 it is passbook credit हुआ तो डेबिट नहीं हुआ. Dividend received but not. ये जो statement that you have to write in your own language. हाँ देखो 150 dividend is given. That means it is understood that it is credited by the bank but not debited. Dividend received not debited in the cash book. So credit balance of the answer is coming the 14,670. See cash book का answer देखो 14,670. That is the balance which you got in the cash book, the closing balance. And total you are getting. So credit balance as per cash book bank overdraft is 14,670. That is total is coming 41,940. Very easy sum. Nothing is given. One more different type of sum I will explain in the next video. Like this, few questions you will get from your exercise or page number 293 of 10 questions. as well as the 11 questions also, that also you will do it. Hope you will try. If not possible, you will tell me. And even though if you do not understand in any place, you will tell me. Bank reconciliation statement may, this is I think 5th video. One more video I will explain in details few sums from exercise also I will do from this chapter. Overall idea about the bank reconciliation statement I already told you that you follow only the things which you have to keep in mind. Two books are there. Two books के अंदर कौन सा बुक में रिकॉर्ड हुआ, कौन सा बुक में रिकॉर्ड नहीं हुआ होगा, तो it will be like that. It will be debited in the cash book but not credited, or it will be debited in the passbook but not credited. Like that it will go on, and you have to try to find out where it is debited or where it is not credited, or where it is credited or where it is not debited. Debit नहीं हुआ तो write in debit column, credit नहीं हुआ तो write in the credit column. Do which is not done. This is called BRS. One more illustration as well as the exercise I will explain in details. I tried my level best to make you understand that you will follow it. I told you regarding the fair book. Fair book is the compulsory for all the students. In your fair book, you will write the exercise, all the questions answered. Illustration you go through, that question and answer don't write in the fair book. Exercise question answer you will write in the fair book, and I will check your fair book when I will give the date. According to that I will do it. Okay? Apart from the sum which is given in your textbook, both the illustration as well as the exercise, I will make practice some extra sum, my own sum. I will make the sum, I will make the question, and that also I will make you practice. Hope you are understanding. Okay? All the best. Bye.